LIONGRIP was originally designed for handling shafts, but our customers never fail to surprise us with new applications for LIONGRIP. Work that was previously carried out by hand can now be aided by LIONGRIP. This makes the production more efficient and makes the operations less strenuous on the body. LIONGRIP works as an extension of your own arm. The force-sensitive handle makes the arm follow your smallest movement, while the built-in suspension makes precision work simple. The operational area of more than 360 degrees makes it possible to use the lift in more than one station. It can also be restationed in less than an hour. LIONGRIP can take off-center loads, which means that you can grip an object by its end. To meet special demands, there are several additional options like expanding shaft, locking of the joints, grip for shaft, and additional height in lifting. We can also customize the arm length and the gripping unit to your special needs. Easy installation, few parts demanding maintenance, and a big operational area makes LIONGRIP the perfect aid in both small and compact areas, as well as big and spacious ones.